Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to review the Monzo Savings Account and help you decide if it's the right option for you. Monzo is a UK-based digital bank that's become really popular for its easy-to-use app and modern approach to banking. Their savings accounts, often referred to as savings pots, are designed to make savings simple and flexible, with a few different options depending on your needs. When you open a Monzo account, you can create savings pots directly in the app. These pots let you separate your savings from your everyday spending money, so it's easier to stay on track with your goals. The great thing is that you can customize pots for different purposes, like one for holidays, one for emergencies, or even a pot just for small weekly savings. You can also set up automatic transfers, so money moves into your savings pot on a schedule without you having to think about it. Monzo partners with a range of banks to offer interest-bearing savings accounts. Depending on the type of savings pot you choose, you can either have easy access to your money or lock it away for a set period to earn a higher rate. Easy access pots mean you can withdraw money at any time, while fixed-term pots usually give you a better interest rate but require you to keep your money in place until the term ends. One of the big benefits of Monzo Savings Accounts is how transparent everything is. You can clearly see the interest rate, when your money will be paid out, and how much you're earning. Interest is typically paid monthly, and it shows up directly in your app, so you're always aware of how your savings are growing. Another feature people love is the roundup option. Whenever you make a purchase, Monzo can round up the amount to the nearest pound and put the spare change into your savings pot automatically. It's a small, effortless way to build savings over time, and it can really add up. Now, in terms of downsides, Monzo doesn't offer the very highest interest rates in the market, especially compared to some traditional banks or specialist savings providers. The rates are decent, but if maximizing your returns is your top priority, you might want to compare with other savings accounts out there. Another limitation is that since Monzo is app-only, you'll need to be comfortable managing your money entirely from your phone. There are no physical branches to walk into, which might not suit everyone. Overall, the Monzo Savings Account is best for people who want a simple, flexible, and tech-driven way to save money. It makes saving money almost effortless with features like automatic transfers, roundups, and customizable pots. While the interest rates aren't always the highest, the ease of use and the visibility you get in the app makes it a very practical option for everyday savers. If you're already using Monzo for your daily banking, adding a savings account is a natural next step. It keeps everything in one place and makes money management a lot more convenient. If you're looking for a modern, user-friendly savings solution, Monzo is definitely worth considering. I hope this video was helpful. Subscribe to the channel for more videos.